So let's just imagine we are by the coast in Mexico and we're about to eat into a delicious Baja taco with a cold beer on the side. Now, our reality might be a little bit different at the moment, but at least I'm gonna tell you how to make the best Baja tacos at home. And for our recipe, what we do is we use a little bit of the Luchito paste, mixing it with the flour and some baking powder and a little beer. We're gonna use an IPA for this, and just make a light batter to coat your fish in and then fry it until really golden and crispy. Then we're gonna serve it with some warm corn tortillas, a crunchy veg garnish, and some Chipotle Mayo on the top just to finish it up. Right, so let's get cooking. Prepare the batter by adding in a bowl the flour, chipotle paste, baking powder, and IPA beer. Whisk until you get a smooth mixture. Set aside. Season your fish fillets with salt and pepper, then toss them into the remaining flour. Dip each piece of toasted fish into the batter, then carefully place them in the hot vegetable oil. Do this in batches so as not to overfill the frying pan. Fry until golden and crispy. Once they're golden and crispy, remove them with a slotted spoon and place them over kitchen paper to absorb any excess oil. In a small bowl, whisk together chipotle chili mayo and the juice of 1 lime. Then, in a different bowl, add the cabbage, spring onion, and coriander. Add the juice of 1 lime, extra virgin olive oil, seasoned with a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix with your hands. Set aside. Prepare to serve your tacos in warm tortillas with a piece of warm fried fish. Top with the cabbage mixture. Add a good drizzle of chipotle mayo and freshly chopped coriander. Enjoy!